Hey everybody, welcome back. Check this out. We have the Extreme Beast here. You can see it's kind of a cool old army truck. It's got some tracks on it from Rover. It's a four-wheel drive extreme crawler, they call it. Bunch of pictures on the box here. So there you go. We'll get this baby out of the box, show you what's in there, and show you how it works. But you can see here you've got a little battery pack. Need some AA for the transmitter. It should be a lot of fun. Okay, here's everything that's in the box. You've got your tracks, which you'll have to put on because it's pretty good size. You can see the truck and the transmitter. Then of course you got your little manual. Tells you how to install the tires. And some other specs here. So it has zip ties holding it down. I just cut those free so we can get everything off. Here's your transmitter. The batteries will go in here. Take it apart with the screwdriver, on off switch. Here's the truck. Pretty cool looking truck. Lots of neat little scale details, which you can see inside of there. Maybe this side here would be easier. Might not be light enough. There's a steering wheel and a whole dash and everything down in there, which is pretty cool. Got the detail in the bed. Pretty neat. Got your suspension and your axles. Here's where you're going to do your steering trim. There is your battery. So there you can see the battery, type of plug it has. Very cool. Same as some of the other trucks I've done. Then you've got this other box here, which I forgot to cut the zip tie on. And then that's all the bits here. In this last little package, you have the charger. So you have a USB charger for the battery. And then you have your screws for mounting the tracks and everything. Okay, we'll get the tracks mounted up next. It came with 5 screws, so they give you a spare, which is pretty cool. Here's the tracks. You can see kind of how they work. It's got this paddle wheel, which grabs onto the ribs on the inside there. Pretty cool. It should be pretty fun. Be a neat looking little truck. So then you'll just slide them on. You see how they'll line up onto the splines. And they'll lock in. Oops. Then next you'll put the screws in to hold them in place. There you go, so you'll do that times 4. Okay, there we go. That's all of them. You'll see they'll have a little range of motion. You'll see how that works there. Same with the front, except the fronts will steer. So there you go, pretty cool. We'll get the batteries charged up and get some batteries in the transmitter, and then we'll take it out and see how it goes. I think this is going to be a lot of fun. It's really cool looking. Make sure you subscribe, hit the bell. We'll be right back. Okay, here we've got it all charged up. It's looking pretty awesome. So on the bottom, got the battery in. You'll see in here is an on-off button, which there it's on. Okay, transmitter buddy. Get my son to turn the transmitter on. There it goes. Okay, so the steering on this, try to do it with one hand here. It just goes or doesn't. Wheel's a little loose on this one. Throttle, there is no proportional. It's either go or not, just so you know. So to try to do it one hand is a little tricky. There you go. Pretty cool. Looks pretty good in the tall grass. Climb the tree. Come on, back up.
Backing up.
Okay, here we go. We've just got a little makeshift ramp. Got my buddy. All right, buddy, make it go. Drive. Let's see how much power it's got. It's making it. Oh, back up. Good job. All right, well, it goes up that okay. Well, I think we're running out of battery.
I think it'll be better.
Yeah, we're running out. Alright, that might be all for this battery. So there you go, there's the truck. It did pretty good, it's a lot of fun.
It's always working.
My son loves it.
It's always working.
I didn't even have to adjust the steering, it seems to be going fairly straight. Floor it, buddy, there you go. Super cool looking.